we're really doing great things working across the health systems in general, and continuing to build upon that, I think, is our best opportunity to improve the health of the county.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.
The biggest opportunity for us is actually to work collaboratively across all of the healthcare systems that we have in the county, and to address the social determinants of health, barriers that may exist that are preventing people from achieving optimal health. Things like food insecurity or housing insecurity or health literacy or isolation and loneliness. I think we're really doing great things working across the health systems in general, and continuing to build upon that, I think, is our best opportunity to improve the health of the county. A lesson that I learned during the pandemic and during COVID is that there are communities within our community that have plenty of reasons to not trust. To not trust public health officials, not to trust pharmaceutical, companies, big government, et cetera. And so a lesson that I learned was earning the trust of everyone in the community by listening, being present, and just trying to understand what their priorities are. Building that trusting relationship is how we can get people back in to a healthy healthcare environment. Our communities are in crisis. Everyone is stressed. The levels of anxiety and depression are great. Obviously, substance use disorders are a major issue. And coming at it through a non-judgmental, compassionate approach, I think, is the best way that we can help get people that are maybe marginalized back into the mainstream so that they can get the care they need. Unless folks have a reason to want to live and work in a rural community or in Mercer County, they sometimes won't even give us a second look. So some of the work that we're doing is just trying to work with others in the community on that recruitment, put on, a really good face. Once we get people here and they, start to settle down, it's a really wonderful place to live, right? The other thing is we know that folks who were born and raised in rural communities like Mercer County, if they go on to get medical education or other education, they're more apt to come back to rural communities. So we want to get in a pipeline and work with high school students and college students who may be interested in a career in healthcare and mentor them every step along the way so that we can encourage them to take a look at coming back home to Mercer County for their profession.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.